Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin, a former bar staff in Royal Caribbean. I often see comments asking, is there an age limit when applying to work on a ship? So in this video, let's clear that up. First of all, the good news is there's no strict age limit for working on board. The minimum age is usually 18 to 21 years old depending on the position. For the maximum age, technically, there isn't one. However, most cruise lines prepare applicants under 35 to 40 years old for entry-level jobs like housekeeping, service, and galley position. But if you have specialized skills such as being an engineer, officer, doctor, or chef, you can still be hired even if you're over 40 or 50. What matters most is your experience and physical fitness. At the end of the day, age is not the main barrier. What truly matters is that you can pass the medical exam and you have the right skills and mindset. When it comes to cruise ship hiring, what really matters is skills, attitude, and experience, not your age. Cruise lines value diversity and they welcome applicants from different age groups as long as you are fit to work, meet the medical requirements, and can perform your duties well. So don't let age stop you from applying. If you have the passion, discipline, and dedication, you still have a chance to work on board. So if you're worried what you might be too old to work on a ship, don't lose hope. Remember, your dreams don't have an expiration date. As long as you're healthy, determined, and willing to learn, this sea will always have a place for you. Keep pushing forward because your opportunity might be just around the corner.